Hey guys, I have one more video for you of animal names and sounds they make. So when I put a picture over here, we're going to name that animal. And when I put it in front of my mouth, we are going to make that sound. So let's see how good you are doing at making the sounds here and the names here over here. So the first one we're going to do is this guy. What's that? Do you know that's a lion, right? Lion. A lion says, roar. That's right, a lion roars. A lion says, roar. You say it. Says, roar. Good job. A lion says, roar. Let's do another one. Ready? What's it going to be? It's going to be a bee. It's going to be a bee. Sometimes we say bumblebee. You can say bee or bumblebee. A bumblebee says buzz. A bumblebee says buzz. Right? Here he is. That's a bumblebee. That's his name. What sound does he make? A bumblebee says buzz. Right. Buzz. Buzz. That's the sound of a bumblebee. Let's see what the next one is that I have. Do you know this one? It's a little pink pig. A pig. That's the name of him. Pig says, that's a tricky one. Oink, oink. The pig. That's his name. Pig. Pig says, oink, oink. A pig says oink. How about this next one? It's a little bird. This bird is a parakeet. Parakeet. Or you can say bird. Bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. A bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. Can you say that? What's this? A bird. A bird or a parakeet. A parakeet is a bird. Says, tweet, 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 tweet. Good job. All right, I've got a tricky one for you. Ready? This is a snake, right? Snake. His sound is in his name. Do you hear it? Snake. Snake. A snake says, a snake says, can you hear that sound? That's what a snake says. He says, you try it. Who says that? A snake. A snake says, yeah, he says, okay, I've got another one. Ready? This one is a Oh, that's a frog. Frog. Can you say that? This is the name. He's a frog. A frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Did he say rabbit? He says, ribbit, ribbit. A frog says, ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you make that sound? Ribbit, ribbit. That's so silly. Ribbit, ribbit. A frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Yeah, good job. We're going to do one last one. This is a new one. You might not know this one. Do you know this animal? Ah, that's a donkey. 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 Yeah, a donkey is kind of a cute animal. It's got big ears. Looks a little bit like a horse. That's a donkey. A donkey says, hee-haw. He does. He says, hee-haw. Can you do it? Hee-haw. Hee-haw. You try. Hee-haw. Hee-haw. A donkey says, what? Yeah. Hee-haw. Good job. All right. Are you ready to name all those animals first? We're going to name them over here, and then we'll go back and we'll say all their animal sounds. Ready? Let's start with the donkey, okay? This is a donkey. Good job. This is a frog. Good job. Frog. This is a snake. This is a and on the back of it I had the pig. Did you know that they were on the back sides? That was tricky. Okay, that was a pig. And I had a bird. Remember, the long name is parakeet. Parakeet. You can call it a bird. This one is a bee or bumblebee. Bumblebee. And the last one we'll do for naming is a lion. Good. Now let's make their sounds. I'm going to put them in front of my mouth and you make the sound. See if you can beat me to it. Ready? I'll put it up. You see if you can make the sound before me. Ready? Here we go. Roar. How about this one? Buzz. How about this one? Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet. How about this one? Ready? Good job. How about this one? It's a tricky one. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Ready? Two more. What sound does this guy make? Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ready? Last one. What sound does the donkey make? Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. That's the sound of the donkey. All right, you can go back and listen to this video again if you had fun with it. Bye.